Hi guys, I'm Paige Waters. I work here at Sunrise Marine. Today we're going to go over a little bit of trailer maintenance. We're going to start with the front of the trailer. First thing you want to take a look at is your brake line. Always make sure inspect it, that it's not broken, no corrosion, nothing like that. That's all intact. Then we're going to go over here to the jack. You always want to inspect your jack. Make sure that you don't ever overextend it. If you overextend it by too much, it wears the bearings out inside. So that's always a good maintenance to take a look at. Then we're going to go up here to the trailer winch. So you want to inspect your trailer winch, the strap, and be sure that there's no frays, no rips, no anything like that in it, and never over tighten it. That'll always wear your strap out a little bit quicker. Always make sure that your safety strap chain is connected and on. Then we're going to go down here, just a little bit of trailer maintenance and cleaning it. You may want to use a product, a salt off product, as salt water is a little bit harsher than your fresh water. Salt water will eat the trailer up and corrode it a little bit quicker. So always just rinse it off with a little bit of salt off product or something of that nature, and to ensure the life of your trailer is a little bit longer. We were just talking about a salt off product. This is something we use here and like to recommend to customers. Dilute it down a little bit according to the instructions on the bottle. Spray it on after you take a spray bottle with you to the ramp. Spray it after you launch your boat. Put your boat back on, spray it when you get home. It keeps the corrosion down on any nuts, bolts, anything like that of that nature on your trailer. Next up, you always want to tighten your lug nuts. Check them, be sure that they're tight. Every couple trips, take a look at them and do it in a cross pattern. Never go around in a circle. Start here, go to the opposite one, come over here, go over there. Never go around the tire. Do it in a cross pattern. Another important thing when with your trailer to ensure the carpet stays good is always load it correctly. Make sure that your bunks are never sitting on your chines, that they are off the chine and on a flat surface of your boat. Last but not least, you always want to check your brake lights. Be sure that they're working properly, that your blinkers, your flashers, and the brake light and running lights are all working. So those were just a few key points of checking your trailer to be sure that everything's up to maintenance. As a reminder, like I said before, salt water is a little bit harsher on your trailer than fresh water. So always ensure that after a saltwater trip, you're rinsing it and cleaning it properly to ensure your trailer has a longer life. Again, my name is Paige. I work here at Sunrise Marine in Alabama. We have a full parts and service department. Feel free to give us a call with any questions or concerns, and we can go over that with you. Thank you.